So in this Design Wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to underline text here in Design Wizard. So first thing you have to do is open up Design Wizard and then add some text to your design. So go to the left here, press on the text icon. I'm going to press and add a heading just like this. Now for this demonstration, how would I type in two different words? The first one I'll type in is underline, and then the next one I will type in is text, just like that. So what I will also do is drag this to the middle. I'll make it a little bit longer so you can see the entire thing on one line just like that. Now, for example, if you wanted to underline the entire thing, which you definitely can, I just press on the text box right here, go to the top, press on this U right here with the underline, right in between the text cases and italic, press on underline, and it'll add an underline to the entire thing. Now, if you wanted to underline only a certain part of it, so what I'll do here is I'll actually undo it. You can highlight a certain words and then you can press the same thing, and it actually doesn't work. So you have to apply it to the entire thing. But nonetheless, that's how you guys can underline text here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.